In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. My dear teachers, class fellows, and followers, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you will be fine. Today I shall discuss signal to noise ratio. Signal to noise ratio is the ratio between signal strength to the noise strength, or signal to noise ratio is the ratio between signal strength to its background noise. Outlines: signals, noise, signal to noise ratio, decibels, SNR calculation, nodes, SNR and channel capacity formula, SNR and expression, energy of the signal per bit to noise strength. I shall discuss each of them one by one. Signal. Signal is the physical form of data. It can be transmitted from one location to another through a medium in the form of electromagnetic signal or electromagnetic wave. It can be periodic signal or aperiodic signal. Periodic signal in which the signal repeats the pattern of the signal over a time. Otherwise, it is called aperiodic signal. The signal can be analog signal or digital signal. Analog signal is the continuous varying of electromagnetic wave that can be propagated through a medium. The analog signal is the periodic signal or aperiodic signal. As shown in figure, the analog signal is the function of sine wave. So sine wave is the periodic wave. So the analog signal is periodic signal as shown in figure. And digital signal is a sequence of discrete voltage pulses which can be transmitted through a medium. As shown in figure, the positive voltage represents 1 and 0 voltage represent binary 0. So it is also a periodic signal because it repeats the signal pattern over a time. Noise. Noise is an unwanted electronic or electromagnetic energy that decrease or degrade the signal strength. It found in digital system as well as in analog system. The noise has 4 types here: thermal noise, intermodulation noise, crosstalk noise, and impulse noise. Thermal noise occurs due to the agitation of electrons. It can be found in any electronic devices and is the function of temperature. The noise strength, thermal noise strength, is equal to the constant K multiply by temperature. where N node is the signal strength for 1 Hz frequency, and the K is the Boltzmann constant, which has value of 1.38 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 23 joule per Kelvin, and temperature is measured in Kelvin. Intermodulation noise. Intermodulation noise occur due to the sum or difference of original frequencies, or intermodulation noise can produce signal of the frequency which is the sum or difference of the original frequency or multiple of the frequency. Crosstalk is occurred due to the unwanted crossovering of the paths, and impulse noise is occurred due to the noise pulse or unwanted pulses rises at a high amplitude. It is produced by the external electromagnetic waves. Signal to noise ratio. Signal to noise ratio is the ratio of the power in a signal to the power contained in the noise that is present at a particular point in the transmission. It is measured also at the receiver side, because at the receiver side the signals are received and interpreted for the information. Signal to noise ratio is abbreviated as capital letter SNR or capital S over capital N. This signal to noise ratio is equal to power of signal divided by power of noise. It is often measured in decibels. Here in the figure we can see the analog signal and digital signal plus noise. So here we can see the analog and digital signal. Analog signal is a continuously varying electromagnetic wave. So I can see it that the analog signal is the sine wave and the digital signal is the discrete value of voltage to represent the binary value. So noise plus signal for digital signal. Decibel. Decibel is a relative measure meant to the 1/10 of a bell. It originates from method which used to quantify signal loss in telegraphy or telephone circuits. 1 decibel equal to 10 times the common logarithm of the power ratio. It is expressed as a formula. The power of a signal in decibel is 10 logarithm to the base 10 of the P power by P naught. SNR calculation, signal to noise ratio calculation. To find signal to noise ratio calculation, we first find the signal strength, noise strength. The SNR calculation is simple. When the signal or noise is measured in decibels, we simply subtract the signal power minus P noise, power of noise. For example, a radio signal with a strength minus 5 dB and a noise signal of minus 40 dB. SNRdB is equal to the signal of power of the signal minus power of the noise. So the SNRdB is equal to minus 5 dB minus 40 dB, which is the noise strength. So the SNRdB is equal to 35 dB. SNR complex calculation. If the signal or noise strength is measured in watts, then SNRdB is equal to 10 times of the log 2 base 10 power of signal minus power of noise, which is calculated is also in dB. If the signal and noise strength is measured in volts, then the SNRdB is equal to 20 times of log 10 to the base 10 voltage of signal minus voltage of noise in dB. Here some important notes for signal to noise ratio. Signal to noise ratio measures the quality of a transmission channel. SNR negative means noise is stronger than signal. If signal to noise ratio is positive, means signal is stronger than noise. 0 indicate that the desired signal is virtually indistinguishable from unwanted noise, means not distinguishable from unwanted noise or fuzzy from unwanted noise. If the signal to noise ratio is equal to 5 dB or 10 dB, then its mean is below the minimum level to establish a connection due to noise level being nearly indistinguishable from the desired signal. If the SNR is equal to 10 dB or 15 dB is the accepted minimum to establish connection, which is unreliable. If the SNR calculation gives 15 dB to 25 dB is typically considered the minimum acceptable level to establish poor connectivity. 25 dB to 40 dB SNR is calculated, then its mean is deemed to be good. If the SNR dB is 41 dB or higher, its mean is considered to excellent. Here the figure of signal, noise and signal plus noise given. Signal is the digital and the amplitude or voltage of the signal in fig A of part A of the fig 4 is more and the pulse of noise is low. So signal plus noise, this signal to noise ratio is high. So this signal strength is high, means clear transmissions, and we can interrupt data from the signal easily. And fig 4 part B, the signal pulse is low and the noise pulses are strong. So signal plus noise, strength of the signal is low because SN, signal to noise ratio, is low. So we cannot interrupt the information from this signal because signal to noise ratio is low. SNR and Shannon capacity formula. Signal to noise ratio is important in the transmission of digital data because it sets the upper bound on the achievable data rate, and it is the theoretical measure. It gives the upper limit of the data. Shannon formula is equal to capacity of the channel is equal to bandwidth of the channel log to the base 2 1 plus SNR, where C is the capacity of the channel in bits per, and second B is the bandwidth of the channel in hertz. It can be measured by the high frequency of the channel minus low frequency of the channel. For example number 1, the spectrum of a channel is between 3 MHz and 4 MHz, and signal to noise ratio in dB is equal to 24 dB. Find the channel capacity. So I can solve it. The bandwidth is the high frequency of the channel is 4 MHz and the low frequency of the channel is 3 MHz. So the bandwidth of the channel is 1 MHz, which is equal to 10⁶ Hz. SNR/dB is equal to 24 dB, which is equal to 10 log of 10 SNR. So signal to noise ratio is equal to 10 की power 24 by 10. So we calculate this 10 की power 24 by 10, which is equal to 251 using Shannon's formula. Channel capacity is equal to bandwidth multiplied by logarithm base 2 of 1 plus SNR. So 1 plus 251 is equal to 252 log to the base 2 of 252, which is equal to 8. So 10 की power 6 is equal to mega. So channel capacity is equal to 8 megabytes per second. SNR and expression for signal energy per bit over noise strength. This signal energy per bit is equal to signal strength multiplied by time to send a 1 bit. So the data rate is equal to 1 divided by time to send a 1 bit. From 1 and 2, the signal energy per bit is equal to signal strength divided by data rate. So noise strength is equal to kT, which is given by from the thermal noise. Thermal noise is equal to noise strength proportional to the temperature. Here K is the constant, which is known as Boltzmann constant. Its value of 1.38 multiplied by 10 minus 23. So in the example, so N naught is equal to T, KT. From equation 4 and from equation 3, the signal energy per bit over N noise strength is equal to S by R, and N naught is equal to KT. So signal energy per bit divided by noise strength is equal to signal strength divided by KTR. N is equal to, so the noise in the bandwidth B is equal to N is equal to noise strength per bit and the bandwidth B. So N naught is equal to noise strength in bandwidth B divided by bandwidth. Signal energy per bit divided by noise strength is equal to S by R N by B, which calculate from the equation 6 and calculation from the equation 3. So EB divided by N naught is equal to SB divided by NR. From the Shannon capacity formula, capacity of channel is equal to bandwidth multiplied by log of base 2 of 1 plus signal to noise ratio is equal to signal to noise ratio is equal to 2 to the power capacity of the channel divided by bandwidth minus 1. So from this and equation number 7, the energy of the signal per bit divided by noise strength is equal to S over N multiplied by PR. So the energy of the signal per bit per noise strength is equal to B divided by C to the power C over B minus 1. For example, find the minimum required to achieve a spectral efficiency of 6 bits per hertz. Solution: the capacity of the channel is 6 bits per hertz. The bandwidth is equal to 1 hertz. From this and energy per bit, by using the formula energy by bit per noise strength expression is equal to B over C multiplied by 2 power c over b minus 1 and put the value of channel of capacity C and bandwidth of the channel. So the energy per bit of the signal per noise strength is equal to 10.21. Thank you. I hope that it will increase your knowledge. Assalamu alaikum. Allah.